Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to show to you my work on how to create a Facebook ads using our Facebook page. So let me share my screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is to create a leads. So as you can see it here, for campaign, you can use lead gen campaign, or I can use this one, then continue manual leads campaign, continue, and then for this one, new leads campaign, I need to create my company name is join now VA. Okay, let's see what's that. Oh, don't like that. So categorize your ads, benefits of the creating special ad. Select categories that best describe what this campaign will advertise. So this is no, it's not for other related opportunities. I am not sure if I'm going to check this one, probably not. And that will be in the Philippines. And then A/B test to help improve and performance test versions, images. And then advantage campaign budget will distribute your budget across currently delivered ad sets to get more results. So let's click next. And then we're gonna choose, there's no, there you go, CDA, virtual assistant services. We're gonna use that one. Instant forms, and then please read and accept Meta view terms, and then I agree, and then cost per result. Um, our budget will make it like 100 pesos only, and set an end date. So that will become like, maybe we're gonna go on this and then set an end date for July 9, I guess. This ad will run for fewer than 24 hours for the best delivery results. Use lifetime as the budget type. If you want to use as daily budget type, enter an end date longer than 24 hours from the start date. Longer than 24 hours. So set your end date for 2 weeks from the start date. July 22, we'll spend average of 100 pesos per day. And then audience will be from, I think, mother. Try to search for mother. Not sure about this as well. Mother from, I guess, from 25 to 65 all, and then let's click next. For new leads, add, create ad, single image or video, add media. So we're going to add a video, which is a video. So we need to upload this one. Then next, let's play. So it can be used for only the Facebook. And then so they are actually have some confusions about the size, but they totally gonna crop those, automatically crop, perhaps to optimize the advertising image or a video link. So we'll just click done here, and then tell people what you want. So we can put a ChatGPT here, which is this one. Okay, let's go in there, primary text. And then wants to make a living for freelancing. Love this. Freelancing. Ever wondered if freelancing can be a full-time career? Yes, it's possible. Here are some key points to consider: flexibility, making a living, and more, blah, 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 blah. I love that. That's it. So, can choose that one. Oh, yes. Write a short headline. Can freelancing be a full-time career? Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna put name like this. Hmm? Find up to 5 options. Description. Then, of course, sign up now. And then tailor your ad for the person viewing it by letting us automatically optimize your creative. This can help improve your performance. Tell us where to send people immediately after they tap or click your ad. Create form. Okay. Form name. aspiring VA. Intro, and then yes, we can put welcome here. Additional list, and then questions. For the questions, get additional info on the sentence. Questions. Hi, welcome. Are you looking for for I don't know for someone to help you add skill in virtual services? For someone to help you add skills in virtual services? If yes, what skill would you like to know? Then another one. Oh, skill would you like to know? And then the other one. Huh? Please enter your email for, for more if you are interested. Mail, full name. That's it. What skills would you like to know? This is what will it like. And then go to website. All right, we're gonna show them our website, which is this one. Is this our website? This is our blog. I guess that's our blog. For our website, this is our website. Oh, yeah. Let's find our domain. For the website, mhm. No, 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 no. It's home. Okay, here's the website. Then go here, add a link. New website. Grateful. Oh, I already add a link there. Link test. CVA website. Okay. Then message for leads. Go to website. Call business. Can goes on 639. No. Okay. Let's look for Philippines. P letter P, LMNO. Philippines. PH. There you go. Okay. And then description. Thanks, you're all set. And then create form. There's a lot of required. Consent one. Just okay. Terms and conditions for CVA. Virtual assistance services. Okay. Wish that I can create a form right now. Add full name, that's it. Adding too many questions. Let's remove that. Okay. Remove greetings. There you go. That's it. So, I'm done. So this will be my ad setup for FB ads. Kind of hard, but that's it for me. Thank you.